What are you doing, Beans?
Making food.
What kind of food are you making? Chocolate chip cookies?
Chocolate chip cookies.
Okay, why don't you pour the cookie mix in there? Say, now I'm pouring the cookie mix.
Now I'm putting the cookie mix.
Okay. Go ahead, pour it all.
I can pour the whole thing?
Yes.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, that's a lot.
Okay, let me see that one.
We're gonna have a lot of.
And say, and next I stir.
Next, I stir.
Yippee!
A chef usually hums as he's stirring.
Bang, bang. Oh, jeez.
Oh, geez. You need some help?
No.
Okay. You're doing a good job. Those are going to be so good.
Oopsies.
You can eat that one since it fell out. Okay.
Get out. Get out.
Whoa, you're flinging it. Hey, Chef, do you need a little bit of help?
Yeah.
Okay.